Good morning, sunshine, and welcome to today's news recap, where we kick off the day with a fresh cup of coffee and a whole lot of cryptocurrency news. Let's dive right in, shall we? First up, we have a story that's making waves in the fintech world. The United States Mint has revealed that the cost of producing a single penny is approximately 3.7 times its face value, highlighting the issue of inflation, eroding the value of fiat currency. This information serves as a reminder that traditional savings methods, such as holding fiat currency, may not be the most effective way to protect one's wealth. In contrast, digital currencies like Bitcoin offer an alternative option for preserving purchasing power and securing financial stability. As the value of fiat currency continues to decline, investors are turning to cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation and a means of safeguarding their savings. The case of the last penny serves as a timely reminder of the importance of diversifying one's assets and exploring alternative storage options. Now let's move on to some bigger news. The Czech National Bank has taken a historic step in the world of cryptocurrencies by investing $1 million in a reserve that includes Bitcoin, a stablecoin, and tokenized bank deposits. This move is aimed at testing the feasibility and security of a crypto reserve. With this investment, the Czech National Bank joins the ranks of a growing number of institutions exploring the potential of cryptocurrencies. Moving on to some market updates, the crypto market sentiment has hit a 7-month low, with investors becoming increasingly anxious as the price of Bitcoin approaches 1-year lows compared to gold. Despite the current market conditions, the Bitcoin price remains above $100,000, but the uncertainty is causing investors to reevaluate their positions and consider safer assets, such as gold, as a potential hedge against market volatility. In other news, a Thai FBI operation has recovered approximately $432,000 in cryptocurrency from an alleged European hacker. This operation highlights the importance of international cooperation in combating cryptocurrency-related crimes. Now let's take a break from the news for a moment and get to some fun stuff. It's time for Blockchain Bites. Have you heard the one about the blockchain enthusiast who walked into a library and asked the librarian, "Do you have any books on the blockchain?" The librarian replied, "It's on the shelf, but only if you can find it." Why did the blockchain enthusiast have trouble finding it? Because it was a decentralized library, and they couldn't rely on a single source or authority. Okay, let's get back to the news. Grayscale, a leading operator of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, has announced plans to go public on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. This move aims to provide investors with a more traditional way to access the company's crypto assets. The listing is expected to make it easier for investors to access the crypto market and provide a platform for Grayscale to comply with regulatory requirements. Another interesting development is that crypto companies require access to traditional banking services to operate effectively. This includes corporate banking accounts for paying employees, secure storage for funds, and quick access to liquidity when needed. Without these services, crypto companies would face significant challenges in managing their finances and growth. Unfortunately, the crypto market has seen its fair share of losses in April, with a total of $161 million lost to various forms of crypto crimes. Experts are warning of 4 alarming trends that demand attention. The rise of supply chain attacks, increased use of phony services, sophisticated phishing attacks, and growing use of social engineering. In another concerning development, a recent report by Mandiant reveals that North Korean hackers, part of the state-sponsored group EPT43, are using stolen cryptocurrency to mine more cryptocurrency through cloud services. This dirty crypto is then laundered into brand new, untainted coins. Finally, let's talk about Oracle exploits in DeFi. In 2022, Oracle manipulation led to significant losses, totaling $219.6 million. This rise in exploits has forced experts to re-evaluate the role of oracles in decentralized finance DeFi. Oracle providers must adapt to the growing threat landscape and implement robust security measures to protect users' assets. Well, that's all for today's news recap. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Before I go, I want to remind you all to stay safe in the decentralized finance ecosystem and blockchain world. It's always a good idea to do your research, diversify your assets, and be cautious of potential scams and phishing attacks. Stay vigilant and stay crypto savvy. That's all for now, folks. Have a great day and happy hodling.